Going on a solo travel adventure is like opening a door to self-discovery and boundless possibilities. The thrill of charting your own course, the nervous excitement of stepping into the unknown. It's a journey that transforms both the traveler and the traveler's perspective. Whether you're a curious wanderer or a hesitant first-timer, this beginner's guide to solo travel is here to be your compass, guiding you through uncharted territories, one step at a time. So, pack your courage, leave behind the familiar, and let's go to solo trip. The video is going to be exciting and valuable, so subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start. Number 10. Confidence, exploring, and nerves. On your first solo trip, it's only natural to be nervous. When you're walking around, stroll with confidence and look like you know what you're doing and where you're going. You know, fake it till you make it. If you do need to get out your phone/map to check you're headed in the right direction, then going into a coffee shop to go through your bag is likely your best bet. Whatever your reasons for deciding to go it alone, taking a solo adventure is one of the most fun ways to travel and you likely won't regret it. Number 9. Decide on your destination. Not all travel destinations are created equal, and nor are all destinations as easy to visit as one another. First things first, you'll need to decide on your destination. And it doesn't have to be too far away either. Instead, pick somewhere where you think you might feel comfortable visiting. Maybe you speak a little of the local language. Perhaps you have friends or family in a city nearby. If you want to get out of your comfort zone but are feeling a little nervous, then selecting a destination that's not 100% out of your usual life is the way to go. Number 8. Have a few plans in place in advance. While it can be daunting, scary, and downright exciting to arrive in a destination with literally no plans when it comes to your first trip, you may well want to plan a few elements in advance while in the comfort of your own home. Perhaps plan to reserve a hotel/dorm room for at least the first night of your trip and plan how you'll reach said accommodation. Having an itinerary for when you arrive will take a lot of pressure off the solo aspect of your trip. Number 7. Keep multiple copies of essential information. One of the key travel tips we could give you in this beginner's guide to solo travel is to keep multiple backup copies of essential information, such as family/friends numbers, local emergency numbers in a small booklet in case your phone gets stolen. It is also recommended having a photocopy of your passport/travel insurance handy to leave with someone back home in the event that you lose your belongings or they're stolen. Number 6. Keep in touch while you're away. Today, with data being cheaper than ever, and with Wi-Fi available in coffee shops, bars, hotels, and airports throughout the world, keeping in touch with people back home couldn't be easier. You can even make use of apps such as Find My by Apple that allow approved people, for me it's my parents, to check the location of where your phone or laptop is at any given time. Give a friend, family member, partner your itinerary before you leave and plan to check in with them every so often. If something does happen and you don't get in touch, then your friend, family member, or partner can alert the relevant people. With this being said, don't post your live location on social media. This is particularly important if you're traveling on your own. Number 5. Get travel insurance. Perhaps this is a surprising way to make the most of any trip, including your first solo trip, but it is probably the most important. We often hear people saying, if you can't afford travel insurance, then you can't afford to travel. And to be honest, they're probably not wrong. Having travel insurance ensures peace of mind and can help you to avoid potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of debt. Even the healthiest person can have accidents and you never know when. With travel insurance, you can carry on exploring, snapping photos, and making new friends, safe in the knowledge that, should the worst happen, you're covered. All in all, solo travel is really fun, but your safety is still the #1 priority. And while I'm on the topic of safety, make sure you have travel insurance. Number 4. Never keep all of your money in the same place. If your wallet is stolen and it's your only source of money, then it's going to be a lot harder to do things. Keep some emergency money hidden in your bag in a place like a sock or within a book. The point is to have funds spread over multiple locations, as opposed to just in your purse. On this note, you should also be sure to have multiple forms of payment, such as multiple credit cards and some cash available. This way, if one of your cards is lost, stolen, breaks, or is blocked, then you'll have some emergency backup money. Number 3. Never drink too much alcohol. Of all the solo travel tips, the one is pretty self-explanatory. If you get super drunk and have no idea what you're doing, no one is there to look after you. Even worse, there are always bad people around who will be actively looking to prey on your vulnerability, especially as a woman. Keep an eye on your drink, all your drinks, not just the alcoholic ones. You should obviously always watch your drinks when you're at home, but this rule especially applies when you're abroad and might not even speak the language. Never accept drinks from people you don't trust. This also goes for previously opened tins and bottles of water, Coca-Cola, etc. Number 2. Keep in touch with friends and family. Make sure that someone knows where you are whenever you can. If you're traveling to a new city or staying in a new hostel or hotel, let someone back home know and make a point of telling your loved ones when you'll be checking in with them. That way, if the worst does happen and you don't check in, then someone is looking out for you and knows all the details of your last movements. Number 1. Arrive somewhere during the day. As a woman traveling alone, there are some policies and personal solo travel tips that people always try and stick to, no matter what the destination. For example, arriving in a new city can be daunting, even when you're with a travel partner. Arriving at night can be downright terrifying, and it can be much harder to find your bearings post-dusk. As such, you should always plan to arrive in a new destination during the day. This not only ensures better visibility, but also allows you to familiarize yourself with the surroundings before nightfall. Remember, daylight brings clarity and confidence to your solo adventures. A beginner's guide to solo travel opens up a world of possibilities for those willing to enjoy on their own adventures. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, the journey of solo exploration is both liberating and transformative. As you prepare for your first solo trip, remember to consider practical aspects like budget, destination, and safety. Solo Traveler, with its wealth of information and over 700 posts, offers valuable insights and tips for every stage of your solo travel experience. From overcoming initial doubts to embracing the joy of self-discovery, this video has equipped you with the confidence to step out into the world, unaccompanied yet never truly alone. So pack your curiosity, leave your worries behind, and set forth on a path where independence meets adventure. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.